guys and gals, sweet project cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourself Genesis heat gun. And as you know, everyone needs a heat gun. This thing is amazing. 750 watts to 1,000 watts. And I mean, it gets hot. There's high. 12.5 amp motor. Has all the attachments. So if you're doing paint chips and you want to warm it up quick, this is the tool that we use. Probably the second most used tool in our shop is the heat gun. We have tried all the Porter cables. We've tried all the other heat guns out there. So dollar for dollar, I know you're going to love this. We have been using them for quite some time. This is brand new. And now we've got 3 or 4 of them, and you're going to love it.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Second most used tool in our shop, the old heat gun. Now, here's a bonus for you. This is our tire pressure gauge that we love and use. You will love this thing. It has the reading right down inside here so it never gets messed up. Has an air release, so when you check your tire pressure and you push this on, it stays there once you pull it off, and you can look in and get the reading right inside, and I'll show you a close-up of that and what it does. But compared to these junk ones here, this is a slime, and you never know if it's right. Get a little dirt in there, you don't know if it's reading right or not. This right here, for the cost of it, you can't go wrong. We love these. They're very heavy duty. You can ceramic coat your lens here so it never gets scratched up. You can do straight on or come in from an angle right here. This will do 10 pounds to 120 pounds. So you can use it on your RV tires. You can use it on semis, all that. So this is what it looks like inside when you look through the magnified lens. And it reads in PSI and KPA. If you're sick and tired of these things right here not reading correctly, they're just junk. Get a good one. It'll last you and last you and last you.